Hiya, I'm AJ, qualified PT and TV presenter, and welcome to the first instalment of the Superdrug 12-week challenge. There's going to be 3 videos in total, a brand new one every single month, and the idea with this one is to do it at least once a week. So what are you waiting for? Let's get to it. So after you've completed this workout, have a breather, have some water, and try and complete it at least 2 more times, and then you've got yourself a 15-minute HIIT workout. Stay tuned for our second instalment of the 12-week challenge, and don't forget, we're tracking our progress, so why don't you track yours? I'll see you soon.